Guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Arabella Hair. And today I'm going to be getting you ready for those colder months with some Yaki straight goodness. But we're going to be adding a little bit of spice to it. So this is their auburn color. This is 24 inches in length, 180% in density. Also comes with a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, no adjustable straps, and you also have an area for the removable elastic band, and you get a 13x4 parting space area. Now, this is straight out of the box. I did not go in and do any washing or bleaching, but I did notice that the lace was a bit light. So I'm going to go in with my Tailored Crowns tinted lace spray in the color Almond. And I'm just going to spray that all over the frontal area and then dry it down. An average cap size. You guys know I have a small head, so the fit was just okay to me. I don't feel like it was going to flop off, but it definitely could have been a little bit more snug. So this is what the front of the hairline is looking like. They did go in and do some slight plucking, but I feel like it should have been plucked out more because of how much density is on this unit. I'm also going to have to go around on the side and cut off that excess lace so it can sit above my ear. I'm going to take out a few hairs in the front and pluck it along the hairline just so that I can open this up a bit more. And as you can see, when I pull that hair out, I feel like the knots on this are not too bad. I don't think you're going to have to go in and do any bleaching. My only concern is that the lace might be a bit too light. If you are my complexion or even a bit darker, you are going to have to go in and add some type of tint spray or some foundation, powder, whatever you choose, just to make it match more to your skin. A little bit of wax, I'm going to go around the front of the hairline area, and then I'm going to use my hot comb to press everything back so it can be all nice and sleek. And y'all, my plucking wasn't perfect. I just wanted to open it up a bit more. I personally prefer to pluck on the mannequin head versus on my own head because I feel like I can see a little bit better. But plucking definitely helped to thin the front of this out. Using my olive oil adhesive spray, then I'm going to go in and I'm going to spray that on top of the lace. And I'm going to be really generous with that in the front area because I don't want the lace to ripple up or move. And I'm going to use my rat tail comb just to kind of smooth out those edges so that they don't roll up. Be rocking a middle part today. One, this is a lot of hair, and then two, I want to get as much parting as possible. I'm also going to make sure to cover up those tracks in the back area, and then I'm going to go in with this olive oil mousse, and this is going to help flatten the top out. So I've done a wig similar to this before with this type of texture. I believe it was a while ago, and I used wax at the top, and I did not like the way that it came out because it was super shiny at the top and then it was regular at the bottom. So I found that mousse kind of helps lay everything down without giving you that shiny look. So I'm going to tie my elastic band around the front of the hairline, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just to dry everything down. Is what it is looking like now. It is all flat, it doesn't look shiny, and I'm happy about that. But now I need to section this hair off because it is a lot of hair. They were not playing when they said 180% in density. So I'm going to be taking my time. Now, my goal is not to get this silky. Like, I don't want to take the texture away and get it too sleek, but enough that it's going to be manageable. This is what one side looks like straightened out, and then this is what the other side looks like. You can definitely see a little bit of difference. I'm gonna go off of camera and do my makeup and do the other side, and then I'm gonna remove that elastic band. And once I remove these clips, you'll see that it looks so much better once you add the heat to it. I do need to comb through it just to make sure there are no snags, and I need to touch up that one side because of the clip was bending it. I'm also going to go in with some of my Sleek and Shine serum. And yes, your girl is still trying to get the last little bits out of this bottle. I don't care. I'm about to get my use out of this, okay? But I'm making sure to focus on those ends because the ends were still coming off dry even after adding heat. And just running it over the top. The top doesn't really need much because it's already laying down. And this is the final look, y'all. This is what it is looking like. Texture, and you like big hair, and you also like this color, then this is going to be great for you. This is a really pretty color, especially for the winter time. I just think that this is going to be very nice. It's just super thick. So if you don't like a lot of hair, like I said, this might not be it for you. Now on the website, it does start at 16 inches, and then the longest length is 26 inches. I think the longer lengths in this, because of the density, would just be better. Now I do wish that they would have thinned out the hairline a bit more, especially with that much hair, but I did go in and fix it up, and then I feel like the parting space area looks good. To give you guys another style option, so I'm going to be doing these two space buns, which I thought came out really cute. I love how nice and flat it was laying at the top, which lets me know that it's going to be easy for you to maneuver the parting space around without it being a hassle. Another thing that I noticed while I was styling, when I was putting the mousse on, is that I did get some color transfer on my hands, so I did have to go and wash my hands twice. Remember that I did style this straight out the package, so that lets me know once it is washed, you might run into a little bit of color bleeding. As far as shedding goes, I did receive a little bit during the styling process and as I was straightening it out. And then with tangling, I received a little bit of snags at the end and some of the nape area. This is when you definitely want to make sure you have a ponytail holder and also a wide tooth comb if you're going to rock this throughout the day. But let me know what you guys think about this. If you are feeling this one, I'm going to make sure to leave a link down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.